Good morning, friends. Today I'm here to teach you about how to install Docker in Ubuntu. Okay, right now I'm just trying to install Docker in Ubuntu, and the main thing is I'm also fix all the error in real time during installation. Like if I just face any kind of error during installation, then I will fix it in the front of you live, buddy. So actually most of the time it will happen in Ubuntu when you are just trying to install Docker. There is a lot of error and we are frustrated, like why we are just doing that and why it is not happened and all. So I am just doing in the front of you, everything is just be like live and just see it. Let's get it started, buddies. So first of all, I just make a Linux Ubuntu. Yeah, where we are. We are on. First of all, the first step is to update our system. So sudo apt get update. This is the first command, and then enter. So our system will be update soon. Just wait some minute. Like installation is Docker so easy. But even it is so easy, we already face a lot of errors. Somebody face a lot of error, and in the beginning I also face a lot of error. That's why I just make that video how to install Docker in Ubuntu. So the second command is sudo apt get install docker.io. This is the second command, and then enter. When we enter, then yes, yeah, it is trying to install Docker. Yeah, and I thought Docker is installed. So let's check Docker ps. Yeah, that is the error which I'm just trying to tell you. Permission denied while trying to connect to the Docker daemon socket. This file have not any kind of permission. So if you are just thinking that like if I just do sudo, you thought that like I'm not use sudo before this command docker ps. Yeah, you thought that like if I just use sudo before docker ps, then it will run. But this is not happen. This is not run at any cost with the sudo also. Let's check it again. Just enter. Oh my god, what the fuck? It is run. I don't know how and why, but yeah, I will give him a permission. Okay, no problem. Just clear the screen. Docker images. Yeah, first of all, I will enter the sudo. There is no images in the Docker, but the problem is permission denied. Okay, if I just do that, I don't want to add sudo before that, then I have to make the Ubuntu. I have to add the Ubuntu in the Docker group. So how do we do that? So, first of all, we will do that. Sudo add group. Whose group? Docker group. Current user. Current user is what? The current user. So I think I will add the current user to Docker group. So if I just enter, yeah, invalid, yeah. What the fuck? Yeah, everything is just wrong. Why I'm just trying to. There is another way also. is I will give the ownership. I will give the ownership of this file the ownership of this file to user. I don't know, everything is working, buddy. If if you have any kind of problem, then let me know in the comment. So first of all, I have to clear that. Let's trying to do something like where we are in Ubuntu. So I have to make a directory of my name, warrior, and then go to the warrior, and here I will make a Dockerfile. First of all, I will make a file which is web app. I will create a web app, a small web page. So then I should go on vim index.html and then enter, and here in the insert mode, yeah, HTML okay, that's done, buddy. Now I have to make a Docker container to run this file. So Docker, sorry, I have to make a doc file to run this. Yeah. So sorry. Nginx, we will serve this with Nginx, and work directory is app, and we will copy all the content from here to where? In USR, in share, in HTML, I thought, and we will expose it on port 80, and we will start the CMD with the I will start the Nginx. I don't remember the middle one. Middle one is, I thought, like hyphen or something. Just wait. I will do that again. Daemon off and then that and see. -y I thought. Just check it. Nginx Dockerfile. My NAND is slow, yaar. I don't know why. Nginx Dockerfile. Let's create it, buddy. Fast. What is the middle one? -G. I'm just confused with this only. And this is a human nature, buddy. DAEMON. DAEMON. Demon off. Oh, so sorry. What happened with this? Buddy. -y in pana? I thought -y. Yeah, just confirm it again. What is it? -G, sorry, -G. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it is okay. And what happened with this? This, not this. Yeah. And this is okay. Everything is okay. Yeah. Let's check it again. From directory, okay. Then just WQ and okay. So I will build the Dockerfile with tag. Tag is what? Tag is my name. And where? The current directory and enter. What he said. Permission denied. Let's sudo. Yeah, it's done. It's trying to build the Dockerfile. Yeah. Everything is okay. So let's run it. Let's try to run. So docker run -bot -bot -p on the port of 8000. Container port is 80. And what is the name of our what is that of our image? That. And then okay. Abey yaar, not buddy. It's run. Let's check it. What is our public IP? Let's go to the instance. Just check it. This is our public IP, and then just go on the public IP. What is the port number? Port number is 80,000. Sorry, but the thing is my security group. I have to check the security group first. Where is security? Security group. Come here. Yeah. Just do it fast. I have to open port of 8000 first of all, and then we will do something else. Inbound rules, and just open the port 8000. Okay. Where from anywhere. IPv4, and then save rules. Yeah, that's yeah. Yo. Just run it, buddy. What's happened? Why it is not run, buddy? Just check it first of all. Docker. I have to go on the. Will become a root user, super user. Now no one can debate with me. No one debate with me. What's happened, buddy? Why there is no container? Yeah, this is the container, and the status is exit. Will tell you that how to install Docker, and even I just do something practical with it. So that's okay. Bye bye. Have a good day.